Okay, so here goes my sister taking the cinnamon challenge. You should stand over the sink. Here she goes.
Jesus Christ. I'm so scared. This is so dumb. Alright.
You can do it, Mary.
I want to do it on my own time. I'm going to aim towards you.
Did you dump half that out?
No? Where would I dump it?
I don't know. All right. 1, 2, 3. Now swallow it.
Oh my god. I hate you.
Yeah, that was awesome. You spit it right out. You're like. You smell good.
I sure do. I have it in my nose now.
How do you feel now that you've taken the cinnamon challenge?
Yeah.